After creating our structure, we can now move on to our Radiant tab, where we now have more options to choose from for our icons that relate to our Radiant system. First, we need to create a pipe project. And as you can see, we now have our pipe project list window open. And in our project tab, we have nothing selected. We can select New, where a new piping system window opens, and we can name our system, which in this case will be Radiant. And our system type, with the pull down arrow, we have different options to choose from: thermal, plumbing, gas, fire protection system, double phase fluid, and mechanical room. Since this is a Radiant system that we would like to draw, we'll use thermal system type. For our supply and return system fluid, we can choose our down arrow and come to our Database MC4 tab, where we have a wide variety of water fluids to choose from. We'll select the water 40 degrees Celsius, which is also 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll also choose that for our return fluid system as well. We also have the option to check this box here for if we like this to be a schematic drawing, or we can leave it unchecked if we would like it to have a non-schematic drawing. We'll leave it checked for schematic. We'll select OK. And as you can see in the project tab now, we have our Radiant system already created. As you can see, we have our description: Radiant, system type thermal, and it's schematic. We can choose to have a designer or not. At this time, we'll leave it blank. We have our fluid, which is 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. We have our spacing of 3.94 inches. If we'd like to have this as a fixed spacing, we can just check the box, or we can leave it unchecked if we want the program to calculate its own spacing. And we also have a source temperature of 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as an option to insulate bill of material calculation, which we'll leave at this time as none. We have two additional tabs at the bottom here: fan coils and radiators. For the fan coils tab, we have it broken down into several different sections. The first section being fan coils and unit heaters, calculation criteria, where the type of terminal, we have two options to choose from: 2-pipe or 4-pipe. We'll select 2. Our calculation type, we have our summer choice plus winter, or a summer selection verification. We'll leave it as a default as summer selection plus winter. Our fan speed, which we have as medium. And we also have other options such as sensible loading sizing, our water flow rate, air movement, and our max dP. Our other sections have our safety increment, which is our summer percentage and our winter percentage, our minimum delta T, summer and winter in Fahrenheit, which have been already preloaded because of our location, our intake air, our entering water, and finally our primary air contribution. If we come to our radiators tab, you can also see that we have our radiators dash calculation criteria, which has been preset because of our location of Ronald Reagan International Airport. If we click apply and OK, we have now set a Radiant pipe project